Hi guys, my name is Anvi and welcome back. Wait. Hi guys, my name is Anvi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about all my body sprays. So this is a pretty affordable category. If you're not ready to invest in a perfume, you can go ahead and choose body sprays. So I have a few different options right here. I have tried a lot of body sprays. I've tried a lot. I mean, that's what I used to use when I was in school, right? So we can talk about a lot of body sprays today. I have some coffee with me because I just had my breakfast and it's Sunday, so I need some coffee after my Sunday breakfast. That's a rule. So yeah, I have some coffee with me. We are going to be talking about body sprays. Okay, so let's start off from the inception. So the first ever deodorant that I remember using was from Nivea. Now my mother picked that up for me. I was in school, 7th, 8th standard mein hongi, and I needed something to smell fresh. So my mother got me the Nivea one. So this is a roll-on deodorant, but I had it in a spray form. Now this one is called Whitening Smooth Skin. I had something which was called Pearly Smooth. I don't remember. I'll just pop up a picture right here. So this one was in a spray form and this is in a roll-on form. I actually like the roll-ons better now because the spray kind of suffocates me now. I don't know why, but the spray on the Nivea one is like very harsh and I don't know. I just feel like I cough after like I spray that on. So now I just use the roll-on ones for now. And so I have used this one a lot. As you can see, I'm down till here. So this one is a very nice fresh floral kind of scent, very non-offensive. You can use it under your perfumes and this generally just keeps you smelling fresh all day. So I don't use it every single day. I let my underarms breathe. So I use this like 3 to 4 times a week, but not more than that. And I usually just scrub my underarms after I use this one because it's very important to remove your deodorant when you go to sleep and all. So yeah, I do that and this one is pretty nice. This one lasts for a long time, keeps me smelling fresh. And yeah, if you're starting off with college and if you want something which is affordable, so this one retails for 185 rupees, so pretty affordable. So if you're starting off with college, school, you need something to smell fresh, you can go and get this one. Okay, so I don't know why I'm fumbling so much today. I don't know. I just had a pretty hefty breakfast and I think I'm a little sleepy. Maybe that's the reason. That's why I had my coffee here, which I kind of finished before I filmed this video. Now I'll stop blabbering now. Okay, so the next ones I'm going to be talking about are again in the same category, very fresh, delicate, non-offensive kind of smells. So these ones are from Dove. Now I've got this one which is in cucumber and green tea. And the other one is, does it say? No. So this one is called Go Fresh. I got these on Amazon and yeah, this one is in the spray form. This is a roll-on. Now let's talk about this one. So this one actually smells really good. I'm actually wearing this one today. This one smells fresh. This one smells like a sweet green tea. So I don't know, this one smells really good. For summers, this one is great. And this says that this has 1/4 moisturizing cream. I don't know how that works, but I don't know how that works. But this one lasts a pretty long time too. This one lasts for around 4 to 5 hours. It makes you feel fresh and you can smell this on yourself for a long time. So yeah, this one is good. This one smells like a fresh, sweet green tea and yep. This one is good. Okay, so the next one is Go Fresh. Now this one is a roll-on kind of a deodorant. So you kind of push it up like that and you just roll it on and you're good to go. So you can smell this one on you for a really long time. So lasts pretty well. And this one is for 195 or something, very very affordable. The other one was again in the same price range, 225. So this one's a little bit more, and this one is for 195. Very nice, very affordable. I like this one better than the Nivea roll-on actually, because this one smells really nice. This one smells like peaches. This one smells like a peach candy. I really really like this one. The smell on this one, yep, it's really really cool. So if you can get your hands on these ones, you can go ahead and grab these, because you can smell this on yourself for a really really long time. It makes you feel fresh, really fresh. So this one is Dove's Go Fresh. So the next ones, I used to use them a lot back in the day. Those are the Engage body sprays. They used to come in like a very big bottle. I used to use the pink and the blue one a lot. I really liked the blue one. So I don't have them in here right now, but those ones are really good too, and they last for a good time. They last for 3 to 4 hours. They make you feel fresh, and the scents are very very nice, especially the blue one and the pink one. So if you're just going to college or school and you need something to spice yourself up, you can just use that one. That one is really affordable too. Okay, so now this is a phase where I used to use body splashes a lot, and I had that phase for like 2 to 3 years, and people used to know me by one scent, and that was this one. This one is from Lear. This one is their Water Girl. Very affordable, and this is one of the only body splashes which are widely available in India. Very affordable ones. So, and these ones are actually so good. These ones are really good, and they last for a crazy long time. Some of my perfumes also don't last that long. So these ones are really really good, a very good bang for your buck. And this one is called Mystic Island, and I like this one and the other one which is called Secret something, Secret Crush. I used to use that a lot. That one is like a fresh tropical orange drink, and I really really love that one. Now this one is such a good one. The sprayer on this is so beautiful too. Now this one is again a very fresh soapy scent, so after shower kind of a scent, and this lasts for crazy long. So I used to go to school, right? I used to go to school, come back home, and then go to tuition, and then again come back home, and I used to still smell it on me. So this one is strong. I really like it. This one smells very soapy, fruity. Yeah, this is a soapy, fruity kind of a scent. And if you're looking for something, you teenage girls or college going girls, you should definitely check this one out, which I'm very sure you already are, because there are a lot of different variants which are out now, and I'm very eager to try those out. But I have a very big collection right now, and I'm just trying to cut down on a lot of things. So yeah, these ones are really good affordable options for you teenage college going girls out there. Very good perfumes, very good ones. So this one is Mystic Island from Lear Water Girl, and this used to be my signature for a long time. After that, I just remember using perfumes. I don't think I ever went back to the body spray aisle, because perfumes are way better. They last for a really long time, and body sprays are just not in nowadays. But still, I do have a few options for you guys, and I use them quite a lot, and that's why I really like them. Now the first one is like a perfume, but it's an eau de cologne, so I'll call it a body mist. Now this one is from Yardley. I'll pop up a picture right here. I just have a decant. Okay, so this one didn't last for a long time, so I used to carry it in this bottle. Now this one was called Autumn Bloom, and I am very sure that I'm going to get another bottle of this one. This one is so good. This one smells like apples, but sweet ones. So this smells like an apple pie. Floral, fresh apples. This one is really beautiful. So if you are having like a budget of around 400 rupees, go ahead and grab this one. I am very sure you're gonna like this one. This one smells like a very nice baked apple pie. People used to tell me I smell like cookies when I used to wear this one. I don't know why. I used to smell like cookies, chocolates. Yeah, so all sorts of different reactions, but this one is a very nice gourmand kind of a body spray. I really like this one. So get yourself this one. This is very good. Now I have another variant in the same. Now this one comes in like a travel size, a pretty good size actually, 18 ml. So this one sprays like this. This one is in Country Breeze. Okay, now this one is too good. This one is actually really nice. This one is a fresh floral, not headache inducing at all. Yardley perfumes are like old school. They smell very delicate, elegant, and they are mostly florals. But this one, the Autumn Bloom one, was an exception. This one is also very nice. If you like florals, if you like sweet aqua scents, I think you're gonna like this one. So if you are not ready to spend on a huge bottle on this one, just get a travel size. It works as well. Okay, so the next ones we're going to be talking about are from Engage. Now these ones are their take on the body mist kind of a thing. So this one is called Engage Perfume Spray. This one is in W2 and this one is in W1. Okay, so I like W2 the most. I have used so much on this one. And these are not body sprays, you guys. These are actually perfumes. I can't believe when they say that they're body mist, because they're not supposed to last that long. And these one lasts forever on the skin. You can smell it like the next day. You can smell it still on you the next day. And these are really good. They smell like good perfumes. I am telling you, if you're looking for something affordable which smells like a perfume, grab these. I don't know what you're waiting for. But these are for 210 rupees. 210? 210. So these are for 210 and very worth it. Now I have this one in W1. It's a very fresh floral kind of scent. I am not a big fan of this one, but the only one that I love from their range is W2. Now this one, oh, this smells amazing. This smells so amazing. This smells like white chocolate and coconuts. This smells like coconut balls dipped in white chocolate. This one is a gourmand, a little bit floral, but wow, this smells so good. This is so good for summers. This is really nice. You should get this one. And even if you don't like perfumes, I think you should grab this one, because this is such an affordable option, lasts for so long, and go get it. Hi guys, so I was just editing the video and I realized that this video was 26 minutes long, and that's too much of my blabbering, but I actually didn't want to cut it out either, because there's a lot of information on there which you might find useful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this video into 2 parts, and I'll be ending the first video right here, and I'll be uploading both the videos back to back, so you don't have to wait for the second part. So yeah, this will be the end of my first video, and I will see you in my second part.